Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Skroutz Inflatable Hot Tub with 3-piece cleaning toolset. The spa is an inflatable jacuzzi that seats 4 people as well as is totally portable, so you could take it with you on your getaways or unwind in your home. External walls of the inflatable hot tub are made from layered material. The hot tub pumps up within minutes, and also the rapid heating system swiftly heats up the water. A soothing 104 Fahrenheit and digital control panel allows you adjust the temperature without having to leave the bathtub. This bundle also includes the 3-piece spa cleansing package. Product benefits: electronically regulated pump with control board, 60 surrounding air jets. The hot tub pumps up within minutes. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.